Welcome to JoJo Divine Design 30 Days of Christmas, and today we are on day 26 and we are doing more ornaments for a Christmas tree. Today we are going to be learning how to create a star. Depending on the size of the star, you can use it for a top of your Christmas tree, or you can use it as an ornament in a Christmas tree, or you can use it as decorations, or you can make light fixtures with it. But today we are going to do a star out of bristol board. Alright, you will need bristol board, a compass to draw your circles, a protractor to divide it, a scissors, a ruler, and you will need a glue gun. And that's it. Afterwards, we'll show you ways in which you can decorate your star, and you can use glitter dust, you can use spray paint, you can paint it. All those depend on you. And we're starting off with a circle, 2 circles actually. Let me make it as large as possible. And then we have another circle which should be about half the size of the circle. If you make it smaller, then the tips of the stars will be longer. If you make it larger inside, the tips of the stars will be shorter. So that's dependent on the circle. Has 360 degrees. And depending on how many points in our star, we double those points and divide it into 360. So today we're going to create a 5-pointed star. So we divide in 360 by 10. So 10 into 360 is 36. So on our protractor, we are putting our center on the center of the circle here, and we're marking a 4 point. So we're starting off with 0 on this side, because it's the odd one. 0 plus 36 is 36 right here. 36 plus 36 is 72, so 70, 71, 72, 108. So we have 105, 6, 7, 8 right here. So 144, 145, 144 is right here. So we're back at that point. We are flipping this over, putting the center to the center point, making sure we line it back 0 with 0 and 180 with 180. The thing is, not all these points are going outward, so every other one is going outward and the other one is going inward on the circle. So the first one, we are putting from the inner circle out to the outward circle. That's our first point. The second point, we are putting from the inner circle to the center. That's very important. And that's how we're going. So the next point that we have here, we're going from the outer circle to the edge, and then the next point we're going from the inner to the center, and we continue with the same pattern. So we have 5 points on the outside and then 5 points on the inside. What we're going to do is connect these outer circle points to the inner circle point here to create all points of our star. So from the edge of the circle to the edge of the inner circle, we are connecting right here. And do the same thing on the other side, and we have created our first point of our star. Are going to fold these lines in the inner circle inward like this, and what I do is normally use my ruler. I use a protractor here, and from the center outward. We need to do the same thing on the opposite way from the center of the points of the star. And I'll continue folding this point straight to the center. We are making a back and a front, so we need to make another star. So the same thing that we did for the first one, we do for the second one. So let's just do that process, and we'll make a little variation. We'll come to that in a sec, but let's just go. The variation with this star because we're going to put in the folds where we're going to add the glue. And what you can do is simply add on about a centimeter extra around the edge of the stand. This is what we're going to cut on. So I'm just putting about a centimeter inside. I'm just averaging. In the corner of these edges, we're going to make one slit to the center circle. We are going to be folding backwards on the edge of our star. Now I'm watching these and I'm thinking to myself, I want to trim these down just a little bit. So I'm going to take my time, corner by corner. I'm putting some glue here. Remember, this is hot. So take your time up to the corner here. One down, one more to go. So we are outside now and we are going to spray our star. So I'm just going to put a light coat, let that dry a little while, and this is touch dry, and put it over. Alright, so we're gonna add some spray adhesive. I'm bringing this across here to catch the glitter dust. So I need to move quickly before it dries. I'm opening my glitter and I'm sprinkling glitter on this. Alright, so this is our star and our angel from yesterday and our trip. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us on Instagram, check us on Facebook at JoJo Divine Design. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.